here? Andrea, what are you doing today?
I'm going to tandem skydiving.
Tandem skydiving. Wow, that explains that super fancy harness that you're wearing. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
For my birthday.
This is a birthday jump? Wow, what a way to celebrate. All right, well, you look absolutely fantastic and ready to rock and roll. You ready to do this?
I'm ready.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's get some high fives and we'll see you at the plane.
Right.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Woo-hoo! All right, we found us an airplane. You ready to get in this
Yes,
thing?
I am ready.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's do this. That's what we wanted to hear. Let's listen to this guy who's going to give you a little bit of instruction. Let's go have some fun. Here we go. Woo! All right, you did it. You just went skydiving. How you feeling?
Like, I can't believe that just happened.
Yeah? Will you let this guy take you skydiving
I
again?
definitely would.
That's what I'm talking about.
You both are awesome.
Aw, you're awesome. You killed it. You did so good. Thank you so much for jumping with us at Skydive Colorado Springs. Woo! High fives.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah.
High five.
Woo!